Hello again from Elation Productions. Today I'm going to show you what STI stands for in the tool world. Maybe some Subaru fans out there have some notion of what it stands for, and that's not incorrect, but I'm going to show you what it stands for in regards to different tools and threadings. Now I have here what many people know as a helicoil inserter. Just the same as Kleenex is a brand of facial tissue. This is technically a STI inserter, which should be a screw thread insert tool. And what is that exactly? That's this little spring I have here in my hand. This is a stainless steel coil which has been wound into a spring to be inserted for a 1/4-20 thread. And normally you use these if you're replacing damaged threads. You'll drill out the hole bigger and you'll run a special tap through and you'll insert this thread insert to replace the damaged thread. Now today I'm going to show you something that's not replacing a damaged thread, but rather I'm going to use it for strengthening a thread into a piece of aluminum that I have here. This is going to be a clamping area for a cross member on a pinball rotisserie I'm working on at the moment. And first we'll start off with inserting the insert into the tool. I have a Recoil brand 1/4-20 thread insert I bought for pretty cheap, used off of eBay. That's usually the way to go with these because they can be rather pricey. Now I'll insert it right into the sort of the chamber it has on there, like a gun in a sense, and I'm going to wind it around, and it's going to wind it into a pre-winder. That is, there's a little thread on the end there that's going to compress the spring down, so it's going to make it easier to insert it into our threaded area. And I want it sticking out just a little bit just so I can align it, and I'll show you right now how that works. So now that we've got the insert loaded into the insertion tool here and the depth stop set where I want it to be, we're all set to go. We're going to thread it into this clamping piece on the pinball rotisserie I'm working on right now, and you'll see how quick and easy it goes in there. You just line it up and start turning in there. And they're cleared. And we need a little more depth on that. Right against the stop. And we'll back it out. And we're almost done with that. One last step we have to do is to remove the tang that's on the inside. Now if this were a blind hole it wouldn't matter as much because it's not going to go all the way down, but this hole has to pass all the way through in order for the clamp to engage. So what I'm going to have to do is they make special tools for knocking the tangs off, but in this case all I'm going to use is just a regular punch and a hammer, just carefully knock it off. And there we go. And this is what the tang looks like once it gets knocked off of the helicoil, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Always appreciate it. And until next time.